It basically means that in states which recognize same-sex marriage, those couples will be treated the same as opposite-sex couples. So there'll be no distinction based on whether you're married to somebody of the same sex or an opposite sex.
I'm really excited for what happened today. It's awesome that everyone's going to have the opportunities to do what they want and to, be in love and to get married and just have all of these great, just equality. That's basically what it is. So I'm excited for anyone that wants to go forward with it.
It's a great decision. I think it's a long time coming. I don't think the law ever should have been in place in the first place, so I'm glad that this wrong has been righted, not just for equal rights for people, but I feel like it was a law that really trampled on states' rights, so I'm glad that it is no longer.
What this means in terms of politics is the Obama administration is going to have to be reviewing a lot of national level laws to see how they apply to same-sex couples. So issues such as how do we get Social Security checks out to same-sex couples? What about military benefits? Can an individual in a same-sex relationship sponsor his non-citizen partner from another country in terms of immigration? So these sorts of issues are going to have to be dealt with, and I assume a lot of the LGBT organizations that pushed for marriage rights are going to be keeping an eye on the Obama administration on these issues.
Obviously, I'm pretty happy about it. I think it's awesome. I have two uncles that were married when it was originally up, when Prop 8, before it got passed. And so their marriage is valid, but, no one else was able to get married after that. So I'm glad that, that short window is now expanded. Obviously, it's time that we have equality in the state. I mean, it's California. We're supposed to be a liberal state. Supposed to be a blue state, so I don't know why Prop 8 was ever a thing. Yeah, I think it's awesome.
I was actually kind of shocked, actually, because, it's whether it's going to be a protest or whether it's going to be a rally. And, based on Facebook statuses, I mean, sadly, that's how we see our update things. And when I found out the ruling, I was, really happy. And I volunteered for Pride last year, and that, changed my outlook on the community. And I was just I have to support this. And I'm really excited. And I'm glad that SDSU as a whole is always so big about, expanding diversity and culture, especially with this community.
As far as where do we go from here, there are lots of issues that are before the Supreme Court, sort of by nature regarding the kinds of cases they take, are issues that we may see revisited.
My hunch is a couple more years we're going to see another case go up that's going to look sort of like Loving versus Virginia. Can state-level bans on same-sex marriage be supported by the Constitution? I see that's probably a couple of years ahead.
My best friend has a partner. Her and her partner have been together for 6 years, and I believe more than anybody that they should be allowed to get married, and they want to have a family. So I support gay marriage all the way. Go gay rights, woo!